What are the most recommended cultural retreats and workshops in Ireland? If you're looking to immerse yourself in the rich cultural heritage of Ireland, you're in for a treat. Let's explore some of the most recommended cultural retreats and workshops that will make your experience truly unforgettable. Imagine spending a week surrounded by the finest of Irish culture and traditions. The Irish Culture Retreat, hosted by Edwina Guckian in Leitrim, Ireland, is just that. From July 17 to 21, you can enjoy daily dance classes, including Sean Knows Dance, old-style Irish step dance, and set dancing. This retreat also includes music, song, and crafts workshops, as well as folklore trails and music sessions at the local Teach Ceoil. You'll even get to participate in performances and ceilidhs with ARC Damsa and visit historical heritage sites. The package includes a 6-night stay at a boutique heritage hotel in Carrick-on-Shannon, with all transport provided to and from the events. For those interested in traditional Irish music, the Druids Cultural Workshop is a must-attend. This interactive workshop aims to promote Irish culture and music by introducing participants to traditional instruments like the bodhrán and bodhrán accordion. You'll learn the basics of these instruments, participate in hands-on sessions, and even learn simple tunes and rhythms. The workshop also includes singing techniques and a cue-onda session to ensure you get the most out of your experience. If you're keen on learning the Irish language, the workshops organized by Conra na Gaeilge are perfect. These interactive learning experiences allow you to explore the beauty of the Irish language, learn Gaelic phrases, and immerse yourself in Ireland's linguistic and cultural traditions. You can join language classes, conversation groups, and cultural events, or even participate in the pop-up Gaeltacht, which offers a fun and informal way to engage with the language in various venues like pubs, cafes, and cultural centers. For a more spiritual and relaxing experience, consider the retreats offered at places like the Tibetan Buddhist-centered Dzogchen Bira in West Cork. Here, you can enjoy meditation courses and take in the stunning views of the meditation garden. Another option is the Burren Yoga and Meditation Center in County Clare, where you can combine meditation, yoga, and guided walks to rejuvenate your mind and body. Each of these retreats and workshops offers a unique way to connect with Ireland's vibrant culture, whether through dance, music, language, or spiritual practices. They provide a rich and immersive experience that will leave you with lasting memories and a deeper appreciation for the Emerald Isle.